Hi there. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the already completed option when creating a product build service job in Flawless POS. This feature is perfect for quick in-store repairs or custom jobs that are completed right away, and it helps you to finish everything in just one sale instead of two. Let's get started. To begin, open the point of sale module, then click on Product Build Service Job. From here, select or create a new product. Then fill in your service details like the job title, labor items, and pricing. Now here's where the new feature comes in. If the job is being done immediately, say, the customer is in the store and wants the work done while they wait, just check the box labeled Already Completed. This tells the system that the job will be completed on the spot, and it'll automatically roll everything into a single sale. Once Already Completed is selected, select OK and proceed with checkout as usual. Flawless POS will create one transaction that covers both the job and the pickup. No need to go back later and create a second sale. In the sale record, you'll see the service job number linked to the item and the status listed as already completed. So instead of managing two different sales for the job and the pickup, you just have one streamlined checkout all in one place. This feature is especially useful for fast services like simple soldering, quick repairs, polishing or cleaning, or custom adjustments that happen while the customer waits. It's efficient, reduces confusion, and creates a smoother experience at the store for both your team and your customers. And that's it. Now you know how to use the already completed option inside Flawless POS to simplify on the spot service jobs. Thanks for watching.